In this video, I'm going to be going over my May earnings with the Amazon Influencer Program. I got accepted in February of this year, but I didn't actually take it seriously up until this month of May. So my results are going to be pretty exciting, especially for me because the last 3 months were pretty lackluster. So if we head on over here to the dashboard, we'll go ahead and introduce everything. All these influencer signs are actually just covering up some of the numbers. I won't make you guys wait too much, I promise. But in my last video, I had talked about how my goal was to hit $900 this month or more. As you can see, the initial first few months, I wasn't trying it all, like I said. So 20 videos from February, another 20 in the total of March, and then 3 in the whole month of April. So this is why I'm considering this my first full month, because this is when I was actually hustling and trying to get those videos out. So we went from a total of 43 in the month of April all the way to 142 in total from the month of May. So going from 43 to 142, which means we made 99 videos this month, and you guys will kind of see how that changed my income. So in total, I had a 199 here the month of April. Starting from February to April, it was a total of $297 in the program, and you guys will see how that completely changes here in the month of May. So if we pull back the curtain here from May 1st all the way to May 7th, we'll do 1 week at a time just to see how that looks. So first week of May, a lot of us are probably still getting a huge amount of income because it's still around that Mother's Day time. We're still having those higher commission sales. But unfortunately for me, I didn't have as many videos. Obviously, as you can see, we're coming into the month of May with only 43 total videos, most of which are all of which are honestly just my household products. So just your normal like Tide Pods, your like napkin stuff. I don't know, just the normal kitchen and house stuff. So here we go. May 1st, $249, May 2nd, $22, May 3rd, $3, May 4th, $11.70, May 5th, $9.55, May 6th, $10.87, then May 7th, $18.04. So a lot of fluctuation for me here in this first week, but man, does it get pretty crazy towards the end. I know the middle of the month of May was pretty terrible for a lot of us just because Amazon's switching out a whole bunch of things, and they're always messing around with the influencer program. They don't tell us, which is the worst part. I just wish they would tell us what they're going to do so we can kind of prepare, if anything, or just at least expect it. But nonetheless, the last month gets pretty good, and I'm sure for a lot of you it probably got a little better too towards the end. So obviously first week, nothing too crazy. We're at about $24 here, 27. We're at about, I don't know, whatever. So you do the math. We're gonna keep moving. I'm not a mathematician here. I'm not gonna put myself on the spot like that. So going from May 8th plus 7, 15. So we'll go all the way to the 15th. So here we go. Now, I guess I should have gone to the 14th. Whatever. We're going to cut back the curtain. So $34, $32, $22, $17, $8, $21, $44, and then another $18. So week 2 of the Amazon Influencer Program May results was kind of exciting for me. So going from that first week of having $2 days to $3 days and kind of shooting up to around the 30s, 20s, hitting around, averaging around $20, $25, that was a pretty drastic difference. And a lot of it is because, like I said, we did 99 videos this month. And so during this first week, we're starting to hammer this influencer program. We're starting to get into the rhythm of things. So obviously, you can see the clicks start going up too with that. We were at 44 on May 1st. Now we're at 89 on May 15th. But I'm telling you guys, it gets a lot crazier. We're looking for that $50 day. So let's see if we get that $50 day. Everybody is looking for that $50 day as they're starting out. So let's keep going. Especially, we're close here on May 14th, actually. So we're going to go all the way. Let's just cut this whole row off. Let's just cut the whole row off. So May 16th, we're at $15.52, $32, and then we had a negative day. This is where I don't know what Amazon was doing during the middle of the month, guys, but I didn't like this. Going from that previous week of almost $50 on May 14th to now negative, a negative day. If you guys haven't had a negative day, you guys are so lucky. Man, it's the worst feeling ever, especially after a week like this. Then we go to a $655 day, really mediocre compared to the previous results. Another negative day, back to back, terrible days. One negative 165, then a 655, and then a negative again. Terrible. So May 21st, now we're starting to come back up, which is really nice. Like I said, towards the end of the month, I started kind of going up a little more and incrementally getting better. And I hope a lot of you guys did too, because that middle of the month was, man, it was terrible. And they're still implementing new things. Like as of right now, it seems like a lot of people are saying that customer review videos are on the top 6 carousel instead of influencer videos, and then we're getting shoved down to the bottom. I really hope that's not true. I actually haven't seen too much of that, but in the Facebook group that I'm in for Amazon influencers, they're talking a lot about that. So hopefully they're not going to stick with that, because that would suck a lot. So here we go. May 21st, 11, 33, and then 15, and then 30. So we're starting to go back up. And here we go. Last week, like I said, actually this last week, let's make this one interesting. So we'll cut it back slowly. May 25th here, $27.70. Like I said, 99 videos in 1 month. Obviously we gotta start going up at some point, right? So let's see if we hit that $50 day. Here we go. So not on May 26th, $19.62. We're fluctuating around that $20 day, which is completely fine by me, coming from a $2 a day, $3 a day season. So let's keep going. The clicks are going up. At some point, they got to burst, right? So May 27th, here we go, $22.23 with 223 clicks. Okay, $20 a day. I like that. I like that a lot. Still around that $20 day. May 28th, $24.20, 266. But I said that we had a crazy day at the end. Where is that coming at? So is it May 29th? No, it is not May 29th. Although $35.14 is completely fine by me, coming from $3 negative days over here. Where is the negative days? May 18th, May 20th. Man, terrible days. Here we go. This is where it gets crazy, guys. Man, so we're hoping for that $50 day, right? I refreshed my page at 2 in the morning. I don't know why I was up. I had to work at 9 a.m. and I was up at like 2 in the morning. I refreshed my page and I already see that I had a $30 in there. And then I go to sleep. I wake up in the morning and we're at $75.57, guys. Man, this was insane to wake up to, honestly. So you guys are like, man, I make this in a day, Ruben. What are you talking about? But hey, like I said, $2.49 at the start of the month. I'm excited about this, okay? I completely skipped the $50 day. I was not expecting this at all, but those 99 videos, guys, this program, as much as I hate to say it, it's definitely more quantity than quality as of right now. Obviously, that'll probably change in the future as it starts getting even more and more saturated. But as of right now, quality is not as important as quantity. So going from 43 videos to 142 videos, obviously that's going to make a huge change here on the clicks, going from 44 on May 1st to now 326 on May 30th. And then the last day of the month, are we going to go back to the usual high day to low day, high day to lower day? Is it going to happen? High day, low day, $75, waking up on May 31st. Another $70 day, guys. This is insane. This was crazy, and I really hope this continues up until June. So I'm recording this on June 1st right now at 11 p.m. Make a wish. Here we go. So I wish that I can get, I'm not going to say it out loud because then it doesn't come true, right? So we're at $75.57, $71.74, back-to-back 70 days. That is super, super exciting. Just look at the drastic change here. So May 1st, 249, May 31st, 7174, ending with 376 clicks compared to 44 clicks, guys. If you guys are in the program, you need to take this seriously. Like, I don't know what to tell you guys. This program is insane. There is no way I should be making a total of $697 in 1 month. That should not be happening. And here's a graph I didn't even show. I forgot to show you guys. And I'll also be showing you guys something that I'm playing around with on the storefront for thumbnails just in a second. So this is what the graph looks like. I had to get this made. Obviously, I can't show my full earnings report or any screenshots from the thing. So this is another graph. But yeah, you can just see how it shoots up there at the end like crazy. The last month wasn't, or the last day wasn't registered yet. But yeah, $697 for the month of May. Look at that. So we doubled here from March to April. We tripled nearly, so 2.5x basically. If we can keep that up, I know that we'll hit our goal that was for this month of 900, but I don't want 900 this time. I'm going to go big. I'm going to say 1,500. That might be unrealistic, but that's fine with me. I'm going to hustle this month. I'm going to grind like I did this month. I wish we could have gotten that 100 video day, which we technically did. June 1st, which is today. It was like 12 a.m. or 1 a.m. I had posted an extra 4 videos. So I'm actually technically at 146 right now on June 1st, but that's just because I didn't make the cut on the before 12 a.m. on May 31st. So we technically should be at 146 videos, but it's whatever. It's on June 1st. But yeah, so these are my thumbnails that I've been working with right now. Obviously, they're a little bit higher quality than we're probably used to seeing, and that's just because I'm testing something right now. So I just want to see how important they are. As you can see, these are some of the thumbnails from the previous times. This is my storefront, so I can show you guys this. This is all public, but yeah, as you can see, I started testing some different things, kind of putting the background blue just so that the objects pop out a little bit better in the picture. But the interesting thing is that my highest earning products, those videos were the ones where I'd hate to say it, but the quality was pretty terrible. Like, I'm filming on my iPhone, it's very shaky. Like, I try to be as still as possible, obviously, but it's nothing like being here on a tripod and filming and being completely steady. It's nothing like that. And those videos surprisingly did really, really well. Household items, as you know, they pay the most. And I'll tell you guys, it was a vacuum. Vacuum is what kind of gained me that most of the money. I think I earned around $220 in total commissions just from May on just the vacuum. That video was pretty basic. It was honestly just me filming my phone, giving a quick review on it, and that's actually what popped off the most. And it was a listing where it was really saturated. It was completely filled. It's a popular vacuum. It was completely filled up, and it still let me in there, and it's kind of giving me the most of my commission right now. But as you can see, I'm messing around with this. I'm gonna make a video later on whether or not thumbnails are actually important. So the thumbnail that I had initially was something like this, where it's just like a basic picture of it, no editing, no nothing like that. Basically just a still picture. But now I had moved into more of like I'm trying to get the background to pop out. I'm trying to get the product to pop out. And then now I'm completely changing it. These were just a few verticals just because of the thing that Amazon had going on. I don't know if I'm allowed to talk about it, but if you're in the program, you know what it is. They're kind of pushing you to make some vertical videos. And so that's what this was here. So obviously the thumbnails are not the best, but here is where I'm kind of starting to test out whether the thumbnails are actually going to be important. I'll have a complete new video on this, which is going to be really exciting because, I mean, so far it's looking good. I'm just saying, but I'll make a new video on that. But yeah, like I said, it's crazy what's going on right now. After just 99 new videos in this month, the amount of change that has happened is crazy. Let me know if you guys met your goals. If you want to find out whether the 30-second myth is true or not, I talked to an Amazon influencer employee here in this video where we go over whether or not you got to watch 30 seconds to get commission, whether or not you got to watch 100% of the video. All of that is answered here on the top video. So if you want to check that out, I'll see you there.